Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here you are seeing lot of boxes and these are all the ribbon boxes ordered for school students and we will see unboxing of this box. Okay, see this is a box contains this color and how many pieces will be available in one box. 10 pieces will be available, that is one piece means one pair. Okay, two pieces, totally 20 pieces will be available, that is 10 pair. Okay, 10 pair, that is mentioned here, and it's of length 2 meters with 50 mm. Maximum retail price 70 rupees. Okay, if you go for the shop to purchase one pair, they will sell approximately 10 to 12 rupees, but if you buy this as a box, then a maximum retail price is 70. So sometimes some stores will sell up to 60, 50, 55, etc. Okay, so let's unbox this and see the color. Okay, so if you would like to purchase any color, yes, you can do it. Suppose if you would like to purchase this online, just find out the product tag page in this video itself and you can order it, or also you can purchase this in your offline stores. Okay, we will see it in the next video. Bye.